In the previous video, I showed you how to design a bird logo using the Replace Spine feature from the Blend tool in Illustrator. Today, I'll continue with part 2 to create an eye-catching 3D twisting effect. At the end of the video, I'll also demonstrate how to create the 38S Central Park logo based on this technique. First, I'll create a starting and ending point and use them to initiate the Blend tool. Don't forget to group them together. Select both of them, then pick the Blend tool. While holding the Alt key, left-click on any element, choose Specified Steps with a maximum of 1000 steps and click OK. Then press the Ctrl plus Alt plus B shortcut. Next, draw an ellipse. Before merging them, make a copy of this blend line in case you need it in the future. Select both and replace the spine. To make the perfect twisting line without starting and ending points like this, simply take the lower part and mirror it, then merge it together. It's now perfect. Now, from this 3D twist, I'll use it to create the 38S Central Park logo. It's quite straightforward, so I'll fast forward. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to let me know by hitting the like button or leaving a comment if you have any questions.